I want to make a quick video on how to clean the MX Master 3. So yeah, this is the mouse I use. I'll put a link in the description below to a newer version of it, which is the MX Master 3S. They functionally are about the same, but the S is way quieter, so that. But what I want to make this video, because even though in theory that should work on most mice with wheels, I was just so surprised that this worked. Okay, so I guess I should explain. My mouse wheel. The wheel tends to get a lot of grime, dust, and everything built up in it. So it makes it go slower. It got so slow and so bad to a point that it would lock up for me quite a bit, to a point where I was like, maybe I need to buy another one. But I don't have to anymore because the wheel isn't locked up anymore. And that's because okay, that may sound crazy, but the easiest thing to do is, well, make sure your mouse is disconnected or whatever, so it doesn't actually start willy-nilly clicking everything. But you want to try to push down on this a little bit, this middle wheel, and then just, go back and forth like this as fast as you can. I can assure you that you will see some, if there's any in there, you will see like some grime or some dust slowly come out. Keep doing that until the wheel goes back to how you want it to be, and that's it. Plain and simple for that part. And for all the other parts, you can just grab some technology safe alcohol or Q-tips or whatever and go around the edges and whatnot until you're satisfied. And yeah, that's how you clean the MX Master 3, or presumably the MX Master 2 as well, if you have that. But I have the 3, so that's what I'm focusing on. Like I said, I'll put a link to it in the description below. And yeah, let me know if this works for you. I want to make this video because it worked for me and it saved me $100. So yeah, maybe it can save you guys something too. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.